welcome back. So today's episode begins with a dramatic interruption at Raj and Naira's wedding. As Naira arrives with the police, the entire gathering is left stunned when she announces that she is about to expose the truth behind the lavish ceremony. Raj is confused while Arambi realizes that the very situation she feared has finally unfolded. As Arambi tries to stop Naira, Dhruv blocks her, reminding her that she failed to prevent her family from accepting dowry and therefore has no right to interfere now. Naira then shocks everyone by revealing that the Tandon family accepted a massive 100 crore as dowry for the marriage. Raj immediately denies the accusation, insisting that his parents could never demand or accept dowry. But Naira firmly repeats her claim, accusing Raj of pretending to be unaware while his family accepted the money. As media cameras capture every moment live, the scandal spreads instantly. Naira demands that the police arrest the entire Tandon family for accepting dowry and declares that she will never marry into such a family. The police announce that the ECP is on the way and that the wedding cannot continue until the investigation is completed. Meanwhile, Avantika secretly enjoys watching the family fall into disgrace, while Dhruv quietly encourages the media to intensify coverage of the controversy. Raj desperately turns to his parents, asking whether Naira is telling the truth. Instead of defending themselves, Dimple and Sunil remain silent, leaving Raj devastated. Their silence makes him realize that Naira may be speaking the truth after all. As pressure mounts, Sunil finally offers an explanation. He claims that the 100 crore was not dowry, but a voluntary donation made by Naira's family to establish a charitable wing at their hospital. Dimple supports him, saying the family has dedicated their lives to serving patients and that their reputation has been unfairly destroyed. The guests become divided, with some believing that it could have been a genuine donation, while others continue questioning the family's intention. Dev refuses to let Dimple shift the blame onto Naira's family and demands that the complete truth should be revealed. Dimple counters by saying Naira's family insisted on handling the wedding arrangement themselves. Watching this, RMB silently realizes that history is repeating itself as Dimple once again refuses to accept responsibility. The confrontation becomes even more intense when Dhruv openly criticizes the Tandon family. He says he never imagined such an educated family would accept dowry and even regrets investing in their company. Vishwas angrily tells him to stay out of their family matters, but Dhruv reminds everyone that dowry is not a private issue but a criminal offense. The episode ends the wedding in complete chaos, the police preparing to take action, Raj shattered by the truth, and the future of both families hanging in the balance. The biggest question now is whether the 100 crore will be proven to be a charitable donation or illegal dowry, a truth that could change everyone's lives forever. Thank you for watching. Bye.